Okay, part two. So I ended up taking the seat off because I don't want to be an extortionist like I did last time. So here we go. Let's just want to show you quick, or attempt to be quick. I'm acquainted with the bottom part of the steering column so well. Special relationship that I've developed with this part of the car. I never thought I would. So this here, there is that rod that connects to this high beam, low beam. That is held by a bolt right there. That's an 8mm bolt. Okay, and there's a second one right here. And then right there, somewhere where my finger is pointing, see my finger there? In the back there, underneath the plate for that high beam, low beam switch, is a screw that screws the ignition switch with the column. Anyway, you're gonna have a great time doing this. So I'm just giving you a heads up here. This is just a little PSA to those who don't are considering doing this. So here's that stupid bracket. You gotta see how it clips. How it clips like that. You gotta pry the other side to get it out. Once that's done, then you have another one there. See, I'll try to pry that too. There, you see probably better here. Where's my finger? Yeah, there. See, it's moving there. Yeah, this clip here. Anyway, so it's the same idea. You get those out of the way. Once you get those out of the way, all this clears up and you can have direct access to all that stuff up there. And then you work underneath, and then you unextortion yourself from underneath here. Go in the top, pull the steering column down, and unscrew it. Anyway, that's it. And you got to remove these connectors. So you could, well, not this one, but for the ignition switch, there's two connectors there. And you'll see one terminal inside that connector, female, is going to be burnt. And that's the same one that keeps burning over and over again. And I asked myself how lucky I am that the car didn't catch up on fire. It's literally just burnt in there. But the terminal itself is correct. It's okay. It's just the plastic around it. Anyway, that's part two. Part three is going to be after I run the car and see how it runs, if it runs well, and if all goes okay. And then I'll show you the ground wire harness to give you an idea of how it looks like and where the ground locations are. All right, cheers.